Very good morning, friends. Nalnakshi Swami here, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. As usual, I'm coming up with the Nifty levels for daily high and daily low based on the India VIX. India VIX has shot up to 15.44. Because of that, there will be a lot of volatility, and the ranges also you can see over here. The daily high we get to, after calculation, I'm getting 24,699, and daily low to be 24,369. Weekly low to be 24,005, and weekly high to be 25,030. Coming to the analysis, what is happening in the Nifty is slow and steady up move was seen in the market, and we are seeing a big red candle coming down and engulfing this price action, and it is trading here. It made a low of 24,300 and 1 minute. It's 362. So, and then it traded positively. You can see positive close on Monday, yesterday. So, what can happen? Only if it violates 24,143 in an intraday basis, you can see a Nifty coming down to 23,453 can be anticipated in the market. So, we need to closely watch. Actually, it is 20 period moving average. The market may take support around this, and it may start trading towards the high side till the end of this month. This is what possible. There may not be collapse in the market. If you see market trading below 24,143 after the budget, or today is an even day after the budget, then you can anticipate for the market correcting. Otherwise, it can trade towards the higher side for another 5 days to the target of 25,000 and more. And coming to the Bank Nifty is showing some sort of consolidation over here. See, it is undergoing through sideways movement. It is not like a Nifty forming a higher highs and higher lows like this. And it is going sideways, and it made a low of 51,749. So it is undergoing to sideways movement only if it starts breaking below this level, 51,779. Then next level to watch is 51,127. This is the breakout level of the market. Probably this, and another breakout to the upside is this level. It has taken support around this, and we need to closely watch how the price action will take place. Even on yesterday, the market, after falling down, there is no there is no big breakdowns in the market. It is a slow type of correction in the market in the range of this range. The market is within this range. The market is try to go make a low of 51,874, but it has closed positively, 52,283. Suppose if this positive candle starts moving higher, you can see the market going upside. There is possibility 52,849, and it can even start moving higher. But since there is an event, we will have some dilemma. What will happen? What the budget will say, like that. But after seeing the market, I feel this is a sideways correction, and there is no threat for the fall in the market. Only if it starts moving below like this, If it starts closing below 51,620, and you can anticipate for the level of 51,062 in this Bank Nifty. We need to closely watch and wait. So better not to trade during the event. Better not to trade during the event. Only after the budget, some clarity will exist and you can take your position. Even if there is any wild reaction, you need to wait and watch. Better as a trader, you should have patience not to trade on the event days, because so many hedges will be there. Hedges will play and you will be prey for all those things. These are my analysis. As for now, I don't see any weakness in the chart. Weakness in the chart only. Today's price action will tell us whether Nifty is breaking down or breaking up. Even Bank Nifty also. Everything is within that. Neither they are down, neither they are up. They are in between. So in between price action with the event causes a lot of dilemma, and many people coming and talking many things. Don't listen to all those things. Look at the chart, look at the price. Price will tell you everything. Price is not telling anything. Actually, there is not any breakdown of the structure even in the Nifty, and also breakdown in the structure in the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty. So it is Bank Nifty as of now, it is since 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. Even if you consider 10 days, the whole month, July, since July, 1st of July, it is trading in a range. Price has not expanded. Price has been contracted. Either it can expand to the downside or to the upside. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.